Your Android won't turn on? Droigy has a solution. Whether your phone suddenly shuts down while you are using it and you can't turn it on using the power button, or you can't turn on your Android device that you haven't used for a while, or Android phone not turning on and not charging, you can follow me to solve it. Here are the steps to fix Android phone won't turn on. First, plug your phone into the charger. Then charge the phone for at least 15 minutes. Next, force restart your Android device. Press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time for more than 7 seconds. When you see the phone logo, release both buttons. Finally, wait patiently for a while and your Android phone will turn on normally. If force restarting doesn't solve your problem, click the video link in this video to see more solutions for Android phone not turning on.